Oh, you okay?
Photo for Mama.
Prosím tě, Klaro. Dej si salát. Clara, what the...
Hello, tourist. My name is Dennis. Please, what's your name? Don't worry, your daughter's safe with me.
Good. But you should go now.
We go just for a ride.
Bye, Daddy. Do you think they are going to sleep with each other?
What?
When was the last time you saw Dennis Bralic?
Clara, maybe it's time for us to go home.
Not a chance. Dennis! We're going home? Where's all our stuff?
You are always probably a murderer.
A boy? You let your daughter run around with someone you don't know at all.
Nemám hlad.
Nechceme, abys umřela.
You should have seen her. She was so happy. She started eating, thanks to him.
Fisher? I feel like our relationship has just been one big misunderstanding.
Ahoj, mi Denis. Asi před hodinou. Už vyrazil. Musíme ho jít vyzvednout.
Isn't that him?
Yeah.
Everything will be fine.